Now William and I are going to talk about what are we going to...
Farm.
Oh, right, about the farm. What farm animal do you like?
Rabbit. Sheep, dog, cat, cow, horse.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of animals.
Cow, cow, cow.
A cow, right, a cow. You can see a cow on the farm. What animal says quack, quack?
Dog.
What does a dog say?
Bark, bark.
Moo!
I say in the farm, Randy, that's a cow.
What does a horse say?
Neigh,
Meow.
I say in the farm, Randy is a cat.
What does a pig say?
Oink, oink.
Bah!
I say sheep. What did your dinosaur say?
Rah!
No.
No?
Roar.
A roar.
Like this.
Meow.
A cat.
Oh, wow.
I don't know.
Doobie, Doobop, here is some very good information on farms. Now go and make a fun song about farms.
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡